Okay, today we're looking at this thunderbolt. It's gonna go off in a few minutes. I'm terrified because you know me, I don't have any ear protection. And I'm terrified.
Look at it from where the sun's not on the other side of it.
Oh my, can you come with me?
You get the church in the background.
No, I'm not gonna do it because I'm terrified. So, like and subscribe if you want to see more siren videos. Hopefully this thing goes off. It's currently 11:57, so this thing should go off in a few minutes. There's the church bells. Good, go off. Okay.
You need to go to the other side of it, looking this
Okay.
way.
Oh yeah, I know. Daddy, should I go on the other side?
Yeah, you can go ahead and over there. Oh, look over there, look on the other side of it.
Daddy,
Yeah, so you're
see
looking
that,
like straight up from it.
See that
So you're not
big
facing
box?
the sun.
Yeah, so you're not facing the
Can you
sun.
come
Go
with
the
me?
opposite
Can you
side
come
of it.
with
Yeah,
me?
I'll come with you.
Do you see that big box right there?
Yeah,
That is the blower.
cool, man.
Do you see that tube that's
I
going
really
up
hope
to
this
this thing?
works. That would be really cool.
Yeah, I'm gonna hurry up.
Be like a throwback to when I used to.
Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. It's currently 11:58. It's only moved 1 minute. Oh my gosh, there's the box to activate it. There's the pull switch, Daddy. If you come over here, do you see that? I think it's missing it, but no, it's not actually. But do you see that round thing that's coming out of out of the tube? Do you see the?
Out of the blower box?
No, not the big box.
The little yellow one?
Yeah, the tiny one.
I mean,
Next.
Yeah, here, come on down here, buddy.
Fine.
Just like right here.
See the round thing? Kind of in the round there.
I mean, I see like a tube.
It's 11:59. These do go off late, so
And sometimes.
sometimes. I hope this goes off. Because if it does, it'll be my first time hearing one of these. And it's not a solenoid one.
Harrison, this is like your dream come true if it actually goes off.
I am terrified. I literally.
Do you want me to hold your ears?
No, I think I'm good. If it's too loud, then I'll say, "Oh my ears," like that. Except I'll scream it because this thing is loud. It's currently 12 o'clock right now, so these things should go off anytime soon. Daddy, see you see the
part because you said it right before it did it.
Guys, that was the siren test.
That was so
Alright,
cool.
they're gonna bow.